Welcome to your Channel Islands National Marine Sanctuary. In front of you rises underwater forests of kelp, teeming with life. If you look to the surface, you'll see this California sea lion performing incredible maneuvers to impress the audience of divers. As you can see, sea lions make a lively dive buddy due to their playful characteristics. This inquisitive marine mammal is especially curious about the visitors' cameras and lights. Watch as the sea lion swims through a submerged arch off Santa Barbara Island. Over millions of years, wind and waves have formed structures like this along much of the California coast. Can you spot something bright orange and disc-shaped? That's the Garibaldi, which happens to be the California state marine fish. Look closely. These underwater arches and rocky reefs are teeming with colorful life, including red sea fans, red and black urchins, and orange cup corals. Channel Islands National Marine Sanctuary protects lush kelp forests and other critical habitats, so this sea lion and other marine life can thrive. When you visit your national marine sanctuaries, please respect wildlife and do your part to protect these special places. Experience more of these incredible ecosystems in 360 degrees.